Our brains need time at the end of the day to calm down and prepare for restful sleep. And yet too many of us sit in bed on our phones, stimulating our brains and exposing our eyes to blue light. Luma's sleep ritual mode is the perfect way to put down your screens, regulate your mind and body, and fall asleep naturally. To really get the most out of your sleep ritual, we recommend spending a few moments reflecting positively on your day. To help with this, you can use one of our My Daily Gratitude practice books, available now through our online store. To activate sleep ritual mode, make sure Luma is turned on and in standby mode. From here, simply long press the top of Luma. After a few seconds, you will see a red and yellow spinning indicator. At this point, release to select sleep ritual mode. Alternatively, you can press any one of the 4 touchpoint buttons on the base of Luma. All 4 buttons have the same function. You'll now see this spinning indicator, which shows that you've selected sleep ritual mode, and Luma is waiting while you get yourself comfortable. If you're thinking this looks similar to the 4-7-8 breathing mode, that's because it is. The first part of sleep ritual mode is to complete an extended breathing exercise. Remember to sit up nice and straight, even if you're in bed, and remain relaxed in your shoulders. Doing this gives you the space to breathe into your belly using your diaphragm. Once you're ready, short press Luma one more time to start the breathing exercise. This is a slightly extended version of the 4-7-8 breathing mode. You'll notice that Luma is less bright than usual to make it more comfortable to look at in a room with the lights turned down. If you feel like you've done enough, you can press one more time to skip to sunset mode. Luma will then start a 12-minute sunset fade, transitioning softly from yellow to red and then fading out completely, so you can fall asleep naturally without having to do anything else. And don't worry, Luma turns off its motion sensor so that it won't wake up in the middle of the night and disturb your sleep. Thanks for checking out this short how-to video on using Luma. Make sure to check out our other explainer videos on our YouTube channel and website. Take care, and remember, breathe more, feel better.